Okay, this is Ben Guise from Old Mission School. I thought what I'd do this year is actually make a quick video to walk you through how to set up the categories and the weights for the grades. Just because it's actually a lot easier than writing all of this down. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open up your grade book. It will come up to a list of, it'll come up with the class and a list of students. I skipped over that section because I didn't want to put the students' names up here. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have the right year selected up in the top left. So here we have 2012-13, semester 1, 2, and 3. The easiest thing to do at this point is going to be to just click on 2012-2013. And we get the little spinny wheel. Beautiful. And then click on Grade Setup and make sure that Calculations is clicked. What you're going to see here is Y1, that's for year 1. Then you have T1, that's trimester 1, T2, trimester 2, and T3, trimester 3. So what we're going to do first is we're going to set up trimester 1. So let me move this back. So what you want to do is first of all double click on trimester 1, and when you double click on it, this window is going to pop up. Now what we want to do is we want to set it so that it is using category weights. So we're going to click on this little button here. It says category weights. Then down here we're going to click add category. Now on the left, these are your categories, and they should all be added because you've added them before. If they need added, then see me because there's something odd going on. So first we're going to click add category, and all of the categories that you've set up in the past are going to be shown. We're going to select homework, participation, quizzes, and tests. Then we're going to click on OK. Now weights, these are the percentages, the percentage of the grade that each category is going to take. Homework, we're going to make 10%. Participation, 10%. Then we're going to make quizzes 30%. And tests 50%. So the percentages are going to be 10, 10, 30, and 50. Of course, they all add up to 100. And then we're going to click Save down in the bottom right-hand corner. And that will save the category weights for term 1 of this class. Now, what you can do, actually, to make things even easier, is if you use the right mouse button and click on the term. So we've already set up term 1 here. Just make sure that you have term 1 still selected. It's already set up. Do a right mouse click on T1, and you're going to get this little pop-up here. This pop-up will save you a lot of time. What we're going to do is we're going to actually set something else up first. We're going to click on copy grade setup T1 only. So you're going to get this, and what this does is it gives you the option to the category weights that you've just set. You can copy those to the other term. Now we use all the same category weights for every term, so all we need to do is select T2 and T3 here, and then click on next. And it's going to give you a little message here just saying that everything is working. You're going to click on Finish. And then when you click on T2 and T3, you're going to notice that they're set up the exact same way. Everything should look exactly the same. Okay, the last thing that we need to do is click on Y1 because we do need to set up the year. And the year uses term weights. Okay, so we're going to click on term weights, and what we want to do is we want to make sure that it is 33%, 33%, and 33%. This actually looks pretty good. So once you've clicked on term weights, just click on save, and now everything is set up for this class. So T1, T2, and T3 should all look the same. And then Y1 should have 33, 33, 33, each one 0.3. Now there's also something else that you can do to save time, and that's you can actually copy this grade setup to other classes. Big time saver. So what you want to do now is make sure that Y1 is highlighted and right click on it. And go down to copy grade setup entire class. Click on that. What's going to come up is a list of all of your classes. Now, since I set up classes the same way, I am going to select all of the classes that use the same category weights. And for middle school, I believe they're all the same across the board. So I can choose Grammar 7, Grammar 8 classes, Composition, Reading, let's see, anything else? I think that's it for me. I'm going to click Next, and you're going to get this message that says all of these classes are going to be set up the same way that the first class was set up. That's good. That's exactly what we want. So we're going to click on Finish. It's going to load here for a second, and after it loads, all of your classes should be set up the same way. Let's check here. I'm going to check on Reading 6 to make sure that that's set up the right way. And if we look here, Y1 looks like term weights 33.3, 33.3, 33.3. T1, 10, 10, 30, 50. T2, same thing. T3, same thing. So it's pretty likely that this has copy. You want to check all of your classes, of course, to make sure they're set up correctly. But that's a pretty easy and time-saving way to make sure that everything's set up correctly. If you have any questions, please see me sometime in room 8. Otherwise, have fun. Bye.